Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 4, Lesson 39. Our learning goal for today says, I could make 10. Oh good, we are super rock stars at making 10. So let's up it a little bit because I know we're very good. Let's use those 5 groups to help to make 10, okay? All right, so when we're modeling our thinking today, we're going to laser focus in on 5 groups and how they help us to make 10. All right, so let's read this word problem. Maggie had 6 cars. Her dad bought her some more, and now she has 10. Lucky duck. How many cars did Maggie's dad buy her? Okay, so what do you know in the model that they've already provided for us? Yeah, they drew the 6 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What else do you notice about the model? Yes, they did it in 5 groups. All right, we know that 2 5 groups equals 10. So all we have to do is finish out that 5 group to get to 10, right? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say 6, because that's what we have, and I'm going to draw circles until I get to 10. Friends, when I get to 10, will you please yell stop for me? Thank you very much. I'm an old lady. I need help. All right, here we go. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, whoa, okay. Thank you for yelling so loudly. All right, so Maggie had 6 cars. Her dad bought her some more, and now she has 10. Does our model show that? Yeah, we filled up both 5 groups, so now I can see that there's clearly 10. Now we just have to figure out how many cars her dad gave her. So how many did he give her, friends? Yes, he gave her 4. How did you figure that out so fast? We had 6, so we just had to count in 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be our other part. Friends, if we started with 6 and then we added 4 more and we made 10, how would that fit in our number bond? What would our number bond look like? Which one's the whole amount? 6, 10, or 4? Yes, 10 is the whole amount. Excellent job. So 10 is how many she had once we put the parts together. 6 is what she began with, and then 4 is what her dad gave her. All right, I'm going to have you practice drawing 10, so I'm going to go ahead and let you pause it. I want you to get a dry erase board and a marker or a notebook and a pencil, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, friends, I'm going to read this word problem, and then we're going to get our picture set up first before we keep working. All right, so it says Lamorne had 9 pencils. His teacher gave him more, and now he has 10. How many pencils did his teacher give him? All right, so they drew a beautiful model for us of 9 pencils to show what Lamorne started with. So I want you to go ahead on your dry erase board or your notebook. I want you to draw 9 pencils just like that, making our beautiful 5 groups. I know you're probably like, Miss Arwood, those are shaded in. Should we shade them in? I mean, if you want to, just to show the change, but you don't have to. Press pause while you do that. Press play when you're ready. All right, perfect. All right, so you have your 9. All right, so what are we going to do? We need to get to 10 because Lamorne's teacher gave him more. Yes, we're going to draw circles until we get to 10. Are you ready? Let's do it together. So we have 9 and 10. Yes, stop. Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's all we had to draw. Friends, how many pencils did his teacher give him? 1. Yeah, she gave him 1 more. How would we fill in a number bond? Oh, I turned my number bond to be a little wild. I want you to go ahead and press pause. How would we show all of those pieces in a number bond? Press play when you're ready to check yourself. Okay, this was tricky because I turned the number bond too. I'm so wild. All right, it doesn't change the meaning of the number bond. I'm just twisting it around. All right, so we started with 9, so that was one of my parts. And then we added 1 more. That's what his teacher gave us. And that made the whole amount of 10. Is that what your number bond looks like? Woo woo! Excellent job, friends. If you made a mistake, it's okay. Go ahead and fix it. But remember, our number bond should match our good drawing because that's why we model, to show our thinking. So our number bond should totally match that. All right, erase your board. We're going to try another one. All right, this one says, Muhammad had 3 cookies He baked some more for his friends, kind heart, and now he has 10. How many more cookies did he bake? Okay, well, Muhammad didn't start with that many cookies. He only started with 3. We can see that in the model right here. 1, 2, 3. All right, can you go ahead and draw that on your dry erase board or your notebook? All right, so Muhammad then got busy in the kitchen, and he baked some more until he got to 10. So we need to turn that 3 into 10. How are we going to do that, friends? Yeah, we're going to draw circles to add to 10. All right, so say 3 and start drawing your circles in 5 groups until you get to 10 and then stop. Press pause while I do that and press play to check yourself. Okay, so let's see what your model looks like. Does it match mine? I said 3 and then I drew circles till I got to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How do we do, friends? Did you match? Oh, good. Did you just make a long, windy snake all the way this way, or did you make the 2 5 groups stacked like that? Ooh, I would really like if you would make them stacked and organized. That would be the best for sure. Why? Yeah, it shows our quick thinking so fast. I know he started with 3, and so this is a whole 5 group. 5, 6, 7. It helped me to quickly see that he had to bake 7 more. Okay, friends, how are we going to fill in this 10 frame, or not 10 frame, what am I thinking? Math on the brain. How are we going to fill in this number bond then, friends? Go ahead and press pause. You fill in that number bond. Then press play to let me see it. Okay, we know he started with 3, and how many more did he bake? 7, so that would be the other part. And then the whole amount would be? Perfection. It would be 10. Good job, friends. Oh, you are so good at drawing these 5 groups and filling in the number bonds. What rock stars you are. You know what? You need a super clap. On the count of 3, we're going to clap as loud as we can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rock stars. All right, our learning goal for today said, I can make 10. That's exactly what we did. We started with the amount, some more was added, and we had to end up with 10. We used our good 5 group drawings to help us get there. You did fantastic. So well done, friends. I'm going to be cheering you on as you finish up the rest of your work. Good luck.